Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Bubble Guppies then versus now. We'll dive deep into the changes that have shaped this beloved children's program, from its initial splash to its current iteration. We'll examine the shifts in animation style, character appearances, and the overall narrative approach. By looking at these key differences, we can better understand how the show has evolved and help you decide which version you might prefer. Let's explore the vibrant underwater world of Bubble Guppies. The original Bubble Guppies series captivated audiences with its unique hand-drawn animation and bright, inviting character designs. Each episode, typically featuring 2 distinct segments, seamlessly blended educational themes with engaging stories and memorable musical numbers. The initial voice cast, bringing life to characters like Molly, Gil, and Gobi, created a warm and familiar atmosphere. This early iteration was celebrated for its consistent educational value, covering subjects from science to literacy, all wrapped in a charming, aquatic package. The modern Bubble Guppies series presents a refreshed visual experience, often utilizing more advanced computer-generated animation for a smoother, more polished look. While the core 6 characters remain, their designs have undergone subtle refinements, giving them a slightly updated appearance. The storytelling has also evolved, sometimes introducing new narrative structures or expanding on the types of educational topics covered. These changes aim to keep the show current and engaging for new generations of viewers, while still retaining the spirit of the original concept. So, which version of Bubble Guppies reigns supreme? The original series is often lauded for its nostalgic appeal, consistent educational structure, and the unique warmth of its initial animation. However, the modern series brings updated visuals and a fresh perspective that can appeal to contemporary audiences. Both iterations successfully deliver engaging content for young viewers, whether you prefer the classic charm or the polished new look. Both versions offer valuable lessons and plenty of fun. It truly comes down to personal preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.